Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below of any other things you'd like to see as far as activities done with your toddlers or need different ideas. Drop them down in the comments below. And if you have any math problems that you need help working through, please put that down below as well, and I'd be more than happy to throw in a tutorial for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity is working with two different projects with your toddlers for the month of October. The first one is going to be creating handprint spider. The second one is going to be creating candy corn. Both of them are going to be hands-on. Let's go ahead and get going. Project number one is the handprint spiders. All that you'll be needing is going to be an orange piece of paper or whatever color background you'd like to do, black paint, paper plate, or somewhere that you're going to want to do his hand or her handprint with, a permanent marker or just a black marker to be able to draw the string of the spider. And then if you want, you can either draw in eyes for the spider or not at all. Or if you have googly eyes lying around, you can go ahead and glue those on, which you'll need some glue as well. Or if the paint is still wet, you can stick the googly eyes on with the wet paint, and that could also work as glue. Second, the candy corn activity is we'll be needing two plain white pieces of paper to draw the candy corn on, as well as it's part of the three colors of the candy corn. So the top of the candy corn is going to be white, and then you'll have the middle of the candy corn, which is going to be yellow, and then the bottom of the candy corn, which is going to be orange. And then I'm just going to put the big candy corn on a big black piece of paper as a surface in order for my toddler to have something to also work with.
To begin, you'll go ahead and create your outline of your candy corn shape, and then you'll be cutting out strips of each of white, yellow, and orange into little pieces of squares or confetti shape, and this way it's all just ready to go for your toddler. All they'll have to do is glue in each layer of the candy corn as so. Once you're done here, you will go ahead and take the shape of your candy corn to cut it out to place it on your black.
What are we making?
So we are going to do fun activities for October. The first activity is we're going to paint your hands and make a spider.
What? Mama, a spider is like this.
Yes, but we're going to make a spider that looks like, here, I'll show you, like that, with your hands. And then we'll put some googly eyes on.
Yeah.
Sound good?
The gooey eyes right there.
Yes, they are. But hold on, let's paint your hands first, and then you can do all the googly eyes, I promise.
And you do one gooey eye.
I can do one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mama, get one of those gooey eyes.
Well, first we gotta paint your hands.
Mama.
Yes.
This is 1,
Yeah?
2.
That's right.
And these are 2 foot.
2 feet?
Yeah. 1,
Yeah?
2.
So,
Mama, what color is that paint?
black. We're gonna make a black spider.
And black and white makes it gray.
Good job. And that's because we did the elephant project, remember?
Yeah.
We made an elephant. Mommy didn't have gray. Okay, so with our black paint, you're gonna put your hand and get your hand all with black paint like that. Can you do that for me with this hand?
That.
Go like that, yep.
Like that.
Press down. Good, get your whole hand. Good job, lift up. 1, 2, 3, drop. Good, hold 1, 2, 3, and lift up. Yay! Same thing. Get it, oh, look, thumb 2, don't forget your thumb. Lift up. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Yay! All right, let me get you cleaned up, and then we can add on the eyeballs. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we gotta add on your googly eyes. Isn't that cool? So you can put all your googly eyes anywhere right here. That's where the face is gonna go.
I'll put some right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. 1. You can count with me. 2. 3. Oh, keep him in his body. 3. There you go. 4. Good job. One more.
Yeah. This is 5.
5.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, so now we gotta let this guy dry. So while this guy
I will show.
dries, you wanna show? Careful though, it's drying. Cool, huh? spider. When it dries, we'll finish and make a spider web. We'll show it at the very end. So let's put this over here.
Well,
So while that one dries, we're gonna make, this is called a candy corn, and something that comes out usually during October. So it's a type of candy, and what it is it's gonna be white on the top, yellow in the middle, and orange on the bottom. I'm gonna let you take the glue stick and glue from this purple and down, all down here. Can you glue all that for me? Put a bunch of glue on there. So before the glue dries, take just your orange and then just, place them anywhere that's purple. Good job. Take your glue stick again and then put glue all in this middle space. Good.
itch.
You got itch? Okay, then do another.
So one more.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Put that outside. Take your glue. And now you're gonna glue this whole, put glue on this top piece. The top of this candy corn. Alrighty, put the glue stick aside.
Gonna be white.
That's okay. All good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go in it.
I know. Oh my goodness. Okay, put these little white pieces on the top there.
I got too many.
Oh, that's okay. Here. There you go. There you go. Oops.
One on you.
Yeah, one got on me.
One second on me.
Uh-oh.
I got some glue on me.
Oh my gosh. You got glue. Can I put this one up? You put that one up?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, drop. Yay! And now show our candy corn. It's finished. Oof. the glue. So we have orange, yellow, and white candy corn. Is that pretty cool?